Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do our first video for the 4Runner. So as you saw in my last video, I got a 2022 4Runner TRD Sport. So this video is sponsored by FitcamX. So they provided me this dash cam, same as what I'm using on the RAV4. So this will fit on the 2022 4Runner. So if you have the TSS, this will connect to there. So let's do a quick unboxing, then we'll proceed with the install video. Okay, so here it is. So this is the actual dash cam. And this is 4K. All right. Then it includes an SD card already. It's already pre-installed in there. I believe this is 64 gig. Let's see. Yep, 64 gigabytes. It will focus. But yeah, so there you go. It's 64 gig. And let's do that later. And this is the connector. This is the piggyback harness that comes with it. If I can open it. Sorry. Alright, yeah, so this is the piggyback harness. So this plugs in to the TSS, and this basically where you plug in the original TSS cable. Yeah, basically that's it. And it has the pry tool, which we're not gonna need. It also have a micro SD card reader, so that's helpful if you don't have one. All right, so let's go to the car. Okay, so as you see here, I have a temporary dash cam that I installed, and it looks so bad because it's not really out of the way. It's just like I don't like it hanging like that. I like it the way how it looks like on my RAV4, which you can barely see. It's here. There you go. It's like factory. Yeah, so we're gonna install. Let me just pull this one. All right, so now let's begin. Let's install the FitcamX. First, we need to basically just get this out of the way. You pull this one down. There you go. Easy as that. And then we're gonna work on the this is the cable, the TSS cable, or yeah, it's part of the TSS. So this is one of the TSS modules. Just unplug that one, and then we're gonna use the cable from FitcamX. And what we're gonna need to do is just plug this to the original plug. All right, and we're gonna plug this one out here. There you go. And this is the power cable that connects to the camera. All right, so let's put the camera. But first, I just want to let you know, with this one, it's kind of bulky. What you need to do is just tuck this one in here, basically just to give space. So just tuck this one in between of the cords or the plug, and you'll have room in there. So again, this is the power cable, and let's connect the dash cam to it. And also, I just want to let you know, you're gonna need to get these two clips from the original housing in here. So just grab those, just transfer them in here, and then just push it up. Again, this is a very easy install. There should be no problem installing this one. In this case, basically, what I'm gonna do is I'll put the power cable in here on the top, in between the headliner and the housing. So there's a cutout in here which you'll have space to move, and basically that's the only way. Also, just to fit this one out, you'll also have an option if you want to, or if you can, you can tuck this cable in here. You'll see two cables running down from the headliner. That's one option, but what I'm gonna do is I'll show you. So let me slide this. There you go. You heard it. And just connect the, there you go. Just connect the power. And the way I'm gonna hide this is I'm gonna hide this and tuck it in here. So it's out of your sight. So it's still a clean look. There should be no issue. This is way better than running the USB cable to your headliner here, going down to your A-pillar. This is way better. It's much cleaner. Again, this is an easy solution. Yeah, so it's a clean OEM look. I'm glad that a company like FitcamX made this type of dash cam. Yeah, so again, if you find this video helpful, please consider unsubscribing. If you're new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching.